Okay, Yanni. The guys explained some of these questions. I'm going to explain a few more because I'd like to emphasize a few things. The main aim is that you need to first figure out where is the longest chain, because some of these chains, one can say, go around corners. Okay, so, and you need to number them in such a way that your side chains are on the lowest carbon. Okay, so if we start here, I could start numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but that's not the longest chain. Okay, so I can start numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the longest chain, but I'm numbering from the wrong side because I've got to number it so that the side group, which is this one here, is on the lowest carbon. So I start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this side group is then on the third carbon. Okay, so how am I going to name them? This one, I'm going to call it, because it's 6, it's called hexane. Hexane. Alright, and let's write it in blue. Okay, it's called hexane because there's 6 carbons, and then I go and I see on carbon 3 there's a side chain, and there's 2 carbons in the side chain. If it was an ordinary chain it would have been ethane, but the ethane changes into ethyl, so it's 3-ethyl hexane. Okay, the next one is number 4 in the worksheet that you have. Same thing, we're going to look for the longest chain. Now with this one you'll see we start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is going to give us the same thing. So we take the longest and we start numbering here, which gets our, we start on this side so that we can get this ethyl group on the lowest carbon. If we start on this side 1, 2, 3, 4, then the methyl is on 4. Okay, and we start numbering so that whichever one of the side chains comes first is on the lowest carbon. So we could have done 1, 2, 3, 4 here, but then that's not the lowest carbon possible. So we start here 1, 2, 3, and that ethyl group is now on the lowest carbon. So now we say, okay, this is heptane, because there's 7 carbons in total. Okay, and now we have a methyl here, and we have an ethyl here. Alright, and we're going to say, because we start alphabetical order, E is before M, so this is going to be 3-ethyl and 4-methyl heptane. Okay, let's look at this one. Now this one has a lot of curves and corners and things, so we're going to look at it carefully and see where is the longest chain, because it can go around a corner. So if we start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 8 this way too. Okay, so that means I could either start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the side chain here is on the third carbon. Okay, or I could start here 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's on the fourth carbon. Okay, so let's just see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so actually we should start, our longest chain includes this. It starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that means this is my main chain over here. Okay, and here are my side chains. Here's one, and here's the other one. So how do I number? If I start numbering here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this one is on 4. If I start here, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, also on 4. So what takes precedence? Alphabetical order. So this one's going to be the first. So I'm going to start numbering here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And so 9 is nonane. Okay, and then this is 4 ethyl, and then 6 methyl nonane. 4 ethyl 6 methyl nonane. Okay, we're going to move over here, camera women. Okay, 2,3-dimethyl pentane. The first thing you do is, you see it's pentane, I mean, we're going to draw them. So the first thing you do is you draw your 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Now you go and you see 2,3-dimethyl. So there's 2 methyl groups. The di means there's 2, okay, and it's on carbon 2 and 3. So number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carbon 2 has a methyl, CH3, and carbon 3 has a methyl. So 2, 3, 2, 3, di, there's 2 of them, methyl, 1 carbon. And now you just fill in all the other carbons. So you can do it like this. Make sure that each carbon only has 4 bonds, no more than 4 bonds for each carbon. You can do it like this, right? Or you can do it shorthand by saying this is CH3, right? And this would then be CH. This would be CH, CH2 here, and the last one, of course, CH3. Okay? Last one, heptane 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 5 ethyl. Okay, so let's number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 ethyl and 5